Bon dia, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Lisbon. I hope you enjoy the city. It's a beautiful city where it will welcome you all to enjoy this crypto journey together. And the LisCon organization has done an amazing job putting this venue together. So, if you don't know WalletConnect, WalletConnect is an open protocol for connecting wallets to dApps. And my name is Pedro Gomez. I'm the co-founder of WalletConnect, and I'm here to tell you why WalletConnect exists, how it doesn't even work, and where we came from. If you've been around Ethereum before WalletConnect, it was very much desktop first, and you had to use MetaMask for everything. And then you had the option of using dApp browsers on the mobile, but it always came short of the real browser experience. And wallets ended up spending more time developing browsers than focusing on their wallet capabilities. So WalletConnect basically enabled that thousands of mobile wallets could connect to dApps without having to build their own browser. It creates a secure connection to your browser so that your wallet, whatever your favorite wallet is, can be your wallet that you use for every single dApp. How does it even work? If you used MetaMask before, you've seen this approved flow where you get this pop-up and you get to approve an app to access your wallet. It basically exposes your account the same way, but on mobile, by creating a secure channel. This secure remoting signing protocol is fully interoperable with all of these wallets, and we open sourced it from day one since 2018. We use an end-to-end encrypted JSON RPC transport that goes through a relay infrastructure that uses PubSub to relay messages across different providers. So you can use your favorite dApp with your favorite wallet, and it will all do it encryptedly and be interoperable without any limitations. It uses QR code scanning, basically. You have this QR code sharing just enough information to establish the secure channel that you can then connect the mobile dApp, the desktop dApp to the mobile wallet. But we actually have gone further with WalletConnect V1, and we also supported mobile linking, where you can use your mobile Safari or mobile Chrome with all the advantage of a normal browser with your favorite wallet, and it does this by creating a deep link that establishes the connection across two mobile applications. And we have even done this between two desktop applications. You can have, for example, Gnosis Safe that enables you to connect your multi-sig to any mobile app between two browser tabs. And we have even other desktop applications now, like Encrypted Ink, that you can install on Mac OS, and it will connect through WalletConnect to any browser, whether it's Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. We've seen an exponential growth since the beginning, and we're now over 40,000. This screenshot is from July, and I definitely need to upgrade this one to show you how many downloads are happening right now. WalletConnect is growing, and the community has shown a great support because they believe that the connection between a wallet and a dApp should be open to everyone and provide as many competition as possible. And that's why we see today over 70 wallets and more than 200 applications using WalletConnect. It has completely taken over the Ethereum community where you can always connect with MetaMask, but WalletConnect is always there as an option for you to use your favorite wallet. We've seen the rapid progress and adoption since the first prototype in 2018, and when we launched beta, we had greater wallets like Trust Wallet, Argent, Rainbow, and others adopting it very early on. We finished our beta last year, where we already saw a lot of wallets and dApps, and this year we're introducing version 2, where we already have beta testers in production using the much better version that builds on top of the experience of years of production that we learned from the feedback of different projects and applications. So what's new with WalletConnect 2.0? WalletConnect 2.0 introduces probably the most exciting feature. Everyone has been asking for this since the first day. Multi-chain support. Whether you want to use Ethereum, Cosmos, Polkadot, Celo, Solana, or Near, you will be able to use WalletConnect 2.0 with your favorite wallet. It will be truly a multi-chain application because no matter what wallet and no matter what chain, we will be able to support it. Multi-chain applications is something that we really believe will become the future, where we really change the pattern that we have today of a single chain application and your wallet can connect to multiple chains and expose exactly the chains required for the dApp. This pattern would require a permission system that we built where the dApp will request the wallet to meet compatibility so that the wallet can then expose the right accounts and provide the signing methods that are necessary. And as you can see, when you actually request for signing, we can target specifically each chain that is requested for that transaction. So you can be connected, for example, to an Ethereum chain and a Cosmos chain, and you send the transaction exactly to the right chain every time. This uses like what we call the chain agnostic improvement proposals. It's a set of standards that allows us to have a neutral organization where we build like the most low-level components that are shared between all chains. We started with blockchain identifiers, where we created namespaces and different blockchain references to identify different chains and different ecosystems. And then we expanded this to account identifiers, where we ended up like appending the blockchain to the accounts. And the CAIP adoption has grown immensely. A lot of projects has already implemented these patterns, which means that WalletConnect 2.0 will be fully interoperable with these projects from the day one. We also improved a lot of the user experience. There was a lot of caveats with WalletConnect, where you had to scan the QR code every time you need to create a new session. So we decoupled the pairing that allows you to actually connect once and instantiate as many sessions. So you can scan the QR code and go to multiple applications without having to scan again. This basically builds on top of the permission system that I mentioned before. Each application gets its own permission set, and then from the same connection, you can scope out what each application can read from your wallet and what can sign. On top of this, we improved the experience by creating a single socket where the messages are acknowledged and we have a much better message delivery from our infrastructure. And some users complained about sessions stalling indefinitely, so we created explicit expiry times to ensure that sessions have very guaranteed behavior for everyone. The clients also maintain multiple sessions, so you no longer have to create multiple clients for multiple sessions, which means that wallets will have to instantiate a single client to manage all their WalletConnect connections. And we reduced the bandwidth quite significantly. This will help with like the scalability on our infrastructure, where we saw on DeFi summer and other peak times where infrastructure had outages, and we optimized for that to make sure that we can onboard millions and millions of users. And we introduced perhaps what many people didn't think as a priority, and some people thought it was actually one of the biggest problems of WalletConnect. We have the decentralized infrastructure. First, we renamed what we considered the bridge server to a relay server. So now we think about the server as simply a mechanism to relay messages or a mirror for you to bounce messages between two applications. But then we started thinking, what if we enabled like each application to connect to its own relay server? That's why we started using Waku. Waku is a decentralized messaging developed by Status, and WalletConnect will be the first application outside Status to use Waku in production. We will use Waku to allow relays to share the messages, allowing people to connect to whatever relay they want, so that projects do not have to agree in what services they want to use. This, again, allows for more interoperability without constraining people to accept the system and reach consensus. We even allow people to broadcast messages directly into the Waku network, where you could use a libp2p client and you can actually broadcast directly. And you could even have the wallet also broadcast directly and not even have to use relays at all. However, we have experience with this a lot. We have learned a lot in the last 3 years, and we have run quite a significant infrastructure to put this in place. And we believe that for the time being, in the next 1 or 2 years, we'll be seeing relay servers still acting as proxies for the Waku network for better availability and performance. So how do I run your own relay for WalletConnect? You don't have to. Yesterday, we just launched WalletConnect Cloud. WalletConnect Cloud allows any developer to register an API key to access our proxy servers that will enable you to connect to the Waku network directly and use WalletConnect 2.0 today. You just need to sign in and register an API key. and you can have as many projects as you want. We basically just created this platform to allow us to monitor our infrastructure and prevent outages as it happened in the future. And at the end, WalletConnect Cloud is a predecessor to the future WalletConnect network. We believe the infrastructure we have today can be improved as a permissioned system where we can provide very low latency relays on top of WACO, similar to a layer 2 network, where you can think of different service providers allowing messages to be relayed and still maintain the best user experience as possible. So you can go today to walletconnect.com and you can subscribe for more product updates, but most importantly, you can register for an API key to prepare for WalletConnect 2.0. We have launched beta tests for JavaScript SDKs. Yesterday, we saw Swift doing the first demo live with the JavaScript SDK, and Kotlin SDK has also stabilized the first message encoding, which will soon be able to also connect to the JavaScript SDK. WalletConnect 2.0 builds on top of a lot of years of experience, and we believe will set the standard for what it means to have a multi-chain application. And with WalletConnect Cloud, we allow our users to have the best experience while still building an open protocol that is interoperable with everyone. So what do we look forward from WalletConnect? As I mentioned, we have the version 2 protocol, the cloud platform, JavaScript clients, Swift and Kotlin clients, and we want in the future to allow people to actually build Web3 analytics for their cloud users. So you can monitor the usage for your own applications and have a better understanding of your own users, of how they actually use your applications. And on top of that, we want to build notifications. Notifications that allows your dApp to connect to the wallet and allow to have a much more interactive communication with your users on their wallets. How would you notify a user if you don't have an established session? With notifications outside of the session, you would be able to grab a user's attention to be able to act on something quick that needs to be signed. Because Web3 is so interactive, we still need to build the tools to actually allow people to be more in charge of their own applications. And in the future, we see all of these services being part of the WalletConnect network. Not just the message relaying, but all of the other services that the cloud will do will be part of the WalletConnect network. And WalletConnect Cloud is just allow us to actually test and understand the necessities of the system, so that when WalletConnect network is available, other services providers can build on the experience that we built so that they can run a smooth system, part of our big family. So to recap, what does WalletConnect 2.0 bring? Multi-chain support with the capabilities to connect to multiple chains, not only just on Ethereum, but Cosmos, Polkadot, Solana, Celo, and Near. A decentralized backend where our servers are connected to the WACO network and ensure that every party on the WACO network is able to relay messages regardless if it's run on our infrastructure. Improved session management, where you have expiry times, you can create multiple sessions on top of one pairing. We have faster connections, given that we use a single WebSocket with much better, with reduced bandwidth and ensures better performance. And with our cloud offering, we maintain a much better reliability for our cloud users. So I invite you all today to go to walletconnect.com and sign up for an API key. Thanks a lot for your time, and I hope to see you around, and feel free to ask questions if you see me around.